Today we're going to work on even count peyote stitch. I'm using blue beads so you can see everything clearly. And I chose black thread so the thread path really shows up on camera. First, go ahead and thread your needle. Since this is even count peyote, we need to pick up an even number of beads. I'm going to pick up 10. Slide them all down and hold them between your fingers so they don't twist. Now pick up one bead, skip the next bead and pass through the following one. Pull snug, not too tight, just enough so it sits nicely. And you'll see that bead popping up. That's exactly what we want. Again, pick up one, skip one, stitch through the next. We're building the first 2 rows at the same time. This is just the standard way to start even count peyote stitch. Keep going all the way across. Once you reach the end, you'll see that classic peyote zigzag pattern forming. Now for the next row, we're just stitching into the raised beads, the ones that are sticking up. Pick up one bead and go through the first up bead. And we just repeat that all the way across. Maintain consistent tension throughout the piece, adjusting it to what feels comfortable for your stitching style. And that's how you start even count peyote stitch. Now you know how to build your foundation rows and continue the pattern with confidence. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and check out the other beadwork videos on our channel. You'll find more step-by-step tutorials linked right here on the screen.